Good evening, teacher. I have to do describe a surprise party to host or attender instruction, talk about planning, surprise, participant reaction, K language, tag question, descriptive, objectives, and narrative language. I recently organized a surprise party for my sister. 24 birthday. The planning was exciting, but also a bit challenging, as I had to get everything secret to decorate the house with elegant out silver, uh, balloons, cine streamer, and happy birthday banner in golden leather. He also picked a cake with her favorite design, delicate flowers, and fine details. On the day of the party, I have to distract her for hours with an excuse so she won't suspect anything. When she finally walked in, her reaction was priceless. She opened the door, saw every Jones, and exclaimed, "Is this really for me?" With some happy birthday, and her face filled with surprise and happiness during the party with played some games and shared loud. But the most special moment was when she said it was the best birthday party they had every had. It's a magical moment, and seeing her reaction made the effort totally worth it. Thank you, teacher.